Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT widget on OPPO Reno 12FS. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search and click on search bar. Now type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. And here you can click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now click on AI Assistant and click here to allow this app to draw over other apps, and then you can click back and click back again. Now you can click start, and as you can see, here is my Chat GPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.